How does a small island like Taiwan become a global technology powerhouse? In 2025, Taiwan stands as a model of strategic focus and relentless innovation. Its strength isn't about size but about smart adaptation and a deep commitment to high-tech advancement. For investors, understanding Taiwan's unique economic model is now essential. Taiwan's economy is built on high-tech manufacturing and global trade, placing it at the epicenter of the AI, EV, and IoT revolutions. Its companies are not just participants, they're the architects producing the critical components that power the future. Taiwan's story is more than microchips. It's a masterclass in navigating the complexities of the 21st century global economy. Let's take a closer look at the key macroeconomic indicators that define Taiwan's economic landscape. The island nation's economic performance is underpinned by several factors, creating a stable and attractive environment for investment. Taiwan's first pillar of strength is robust GDP growth, 3.5% in 2024 with 3.2% projected for 2025. These figures demonstrate a consistent upward trajectory. This impressive growth rate is outpacing many advanced economies, showcasing Taiwan's strong economic momentum on the global stage. This growth is powered by surging global demand for high-tech exports, especially semiconductors, where Taiwan holds a dominant position. The labor market is equally strong, with unemployment at just 3.4%, indicating a healthy and vibrant economy. This low unemployment rate reflects high demand for skilled workers in tech and manufacturing, the driving forces behind Taiwan's economic success. Stable interest rates, held at 2.0%, create a predictable environment for business investment, fostering confidence and encouraging growth. Inflation remains mild, at 1.9% in 2024 and forecasted at 1.6% for 2025, demonstrating effective monetary policy. This controlled inflation rate is crucial for protecting real returns and consumer purchasing power, ensuring economic stability for the population. Taiwan's public debt is just 28% of GDP, far lower than most developed nations, showcasing prudent fiscal management. This low debt level gives the government flexibility in times of crisis, allowing for strategic interventions to support the economy. These five pillars, growth, jobs, stable rates, low inflation, and fiscal discipline, form the backbone of Taiwan's economic stability, providing a solid foundation for future prosperity. For investors, this means a low-risk, high-potential environment, making Taiwan an attractive destination for capital. Taiwan's macroeconomic foundation is not just strong, it's built for resilience, capable of weathering global economic storms. This stability is a key reason why Taiwan stands out in the global investment landscape, offering a safe and promising haven for investors seeking long-term growth. Taiwan's dominance in semiconductors is the engine of its export-driven growth. Foundries like TSMC produce the world's most advanced microchips, powering everything from AI to autonomous vehicles. Semiconductors account for over half of Taiwan's exports, creating a structural, not cyclical demand. This leadership is the result of decades of investment in R&D, talent, and manufacturing efficiency. Taiwan's technological edge is hard to replicate, giving it a durable competitive advantage. The chip industry's success fuels a broader ecosystem, equipment makers, material suppliers, and design firms, driving innovation across the economy. Profits from semiconductors spill over into emerging sectors like green energy and biotech. Taiwan's chip dominance is the catalyst for its continued ascent as a global technology leader. Beyond its dominance in semiconductors, Taiwan boasts a robust and increasingly important services sector, which now constitutes over 60% of its GDP, playing a pivotal role in providing crucial economic balance and stability. High-value services including finance, advanced logistics solutions, information and communication technology, ICT, and international trade, are vital in supporting domestic economic stability and fostering significant job creation across the island. Furthermore, the digital economy is experiencing a period of rapid growth and expansion, with Taiwanese firms demonstrating remarkable innovation and leadership in software development, thriving e-commerce platforms, and the creation of engaging digital content. Taiwan's well-established and mature services sector, coupled with its highly skilled and adaptable workforce, positions it as a premier regional business hub. Investment activity is surging significantly, fueled both by substantial reinvestments of profits from domestic tech giants and by the influx of foreign capital, drawn by Taiwan's increasingly strategic and critical role in global supply chains. Government policies actively encourage and incentivize investment in cutting-edge fields like artificial intelligence, advanced 5G telecommunications infrastructure, and the development and deployment of renewable energy sources, diligently laying the essential groundwork and foundation for sustained future growth and prosperity. This dedicated focus on fostering innovation and enhancing infrastructure ensures that Taiwan's economy is strategically building and preparing for the next transformative wave of technological advancements. The result is clear: a remarkably dynamic and future-ready economy, characterized by multiple robust engines of growth across diverse sectors. Taiwan's financial stability is anchored by a massive current account surplus, driven by relentless demand for its high-tech exports. This surplus builds one of the world's largest foreign exchange reserves, providing a powerful buffer against global volatility. The central bank's prudent management ensures currency stability and liquidity, even in turbulent times. Taiwan's banking sector is conservative and well-capitalized, minimizing systemic risk. Strong regulatory oversight keeps banks healthy and prevents credit bubbles. This financial fortress allows Taiwan to finance its own growth, reducing reliance on foreign capital. For investors, this means low currency risk and a stable investment climate. Taiwan's financial resilience is a core pillar of its economic model. Taiwan faces real risks, chiefly exposure to global demand shifts and regional geopolitical tensions. A slowdown in China or the US could impact exports, while regional tensions can disrupt supply chains and investor confidence. The government's response is proactive. Trade diversification through the new southbound policy, targeting Southeast Asia, South Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. Heavy investment in R&D, AI, and green energy keeps Taiwan ahead of technological shifts. Workforce development programs ensure a steady pipeline of skilled talent for future industries. Ambitious green energy initiatives reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels and align with global sustainability goals. These policies fortify Taiwan's resilience, making it less vulnerable to external shocks. Taiwan's clear-eyed strategic approach to risk is a model for other economies. As we move into 2025, Taiwan emerges as a compelling model of productivity and remarkable resilience, showcasing its ability to thrive. This is especially true in an increasingly AI-driven world where adaptability is key. Its enduring success is firmly built on a foundation of continuous innovation, strategic specialization in key sectors, and consistently prudent management of resources, a testament to quality over sheer size. The 5 core pillars: sustained growth, robust job creation, remarkably stable interest rates, consistently low inflation, and a commitment to low government debt, collectively form a finely tuned and highly efficient economic machine. Its semiconductor dominance powerfully fuels high-value exports and strategically funds future growth initiatives. Smart diversification strategies and proactive investment in cutting-edge R&D and sustainable green energy solutions lay a solid foundation for the industries of tomorrow, ensuring long-term prosperity. Substantial current account surpluses and impressive foreign reserves collectively create a formidable financial fortress, safeguarding against economic uncertainties. For discerning investors, Taiwan offers the rare combination of high-tech growth potential coupled with exceptional macroeconomic stability. In this rapidly evolving age of AI, Taiwan's economic model isn't just remarkably successful. It's absolutely essential for understanding how to thrive in a technologically advanced global economy. For more data-driven insights and global market breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. Stay informed, stay ahead. This is Economics FX, where clarity meets strategy. Until next time, trade smart.